Umintri rangba ke sorkar jela ukonrat ke sangma menta kesengi kalai terik jemang arjar arpoar ulal iban Plie ke surok ke Shillong Lum Nongthymmai ke banit ke PHC Byrnihat ke badannya ke jingjalan kumba 0.4 kilometer ha ke bakani ke surok ke lapin suk shiboni ke paidbah jang ke Shillong bat khamtam ikinong pang ke banit sya sumar sya ke PHC. Hakate ke jui ke sengi Menteri Rangba arengkat bu Emily ke jirang constituency kilalit ban bu yo mawnongrim na kebenta ban snai ke multi facility center ha Byrnihat Kriboy district. Nalor Menteri Rangba layadan nang ban sakhi hakani ke sengi da MLA ke jirang constituency uba Sostinus Sotun UMDC ke jirang constituency u Victor Rani u Deputy Commissioner Kriboy district u Arpit Upadhyay u Dr. Joram Beda IS Secretary Planning Department Government of Meghalaya lembat kiwei kiriu paukmat kathan bat kipat ba nong shnong bat ki khana school.
He used to teach here in the school. So it's a real great pleasure to see that people who have been in the teaching fraternity have now come forward and are now serving society at different levels in different ways. Another person like that used to be late P.A. Sangma, who was a teacher, but then he joined politics, just like Parani. So it's really nice to see another person like my father who has joined politics after being in the teaching fraternity. I think it's starting to drizzle, so I think the Lord is sending a message to me that I should speak less. So I will not take much time. But I would like to just say that I'm very thankful to all of you for organizing this program and calling me here. This is a very small but meaningful project. It is one project only for the entire Ripoy district, and because of the hard work of the MLA, we have managed to get this 60 lakhs to be sanctioned for this project out here, and I'm sure the work of this will start very, very soon. Apart from that, there are many developmental projects that we have started in the whole of Jirang constituency, and Jirang area has been getting a sizable amount of the development projects and work that have been sanctioned by this government in the last 4.5 years. And this project is another example of that. Apart from that, many projects from the road development to the PHE development to many such works have been done. So I would like to congratulate the MLA for all the hard work.
PHC, and in this PHC which covers of almost more than 48,000 population, which we really turn our eyes to you once again, sir, because we know that you are the only person, you are only the leader that can protect, that can save us, that can help us, and especially in the upgradation of this Byrnihat PHC. So I will leave it to you, sir, that we, from the people of Jirang constituency, especially the patients who have to come to undertake treatment here. So we are needing your help, sir, for the upgradation of this PHC. And thank you so much for this road, sir. It's a state-sponsored scheme, and the people of our village, we are very proud of you. We are very proud of your government, sir. And we would like to thank, and we also would like to expect many more developments in future.